Now let's look at a well-known scientific study about the benefit of eating soup. In this study, with a crossover design and repeated measures with 60 subjects, they gave subjects a test meal. Prior to the test meal, the subjects ate nothing or one type of soup shown on the diagram. Then they calculate the total energy consumed, and they found that the people who had consumed soup consumed significantly lower energy compared to the people who did not have soup preload. Epidemiological studies from many different countries show that in the United States, soup was associated with lower energy density intake. In France, they found that heavy soup consumers are slimmer compared to the occasional and non-soup consumer. In Portugal, they found that soup consumption reduced the risk of obesity in men and women. And in Japan, they found that Japanese actually eat plenty of soup, about 7 times a week, and the frequency of soup intake have a significant inverse association with BMI, waist circumference, and waist to hip ratio.